And we compare Uniswap to MetaMask airdrop. So guys, in this video, I will try to expatiate and compare Uniswap to this coming airdrop MetaMask. Lots of millions of people using MetaMask is now awaiting the airdrop. So guys, we have to go into history, what's happened into decentralized exchange like MetaMask and Uniswap. So guys, in this video, permit me to use ChatGPT to ask some questions. So I'm going to show these questions the way I prompt some things to know more about Uniswap, and also to know if MetaMask airdrop is going to be paying around maybe $2 or $3 after listing their tokens. So guys, let me go straight to the screen. So let me show you this. According to ChatGPT, September 2020 should be a big history in the crypto space. What happened then was around September 1, 2020, Uniswap listed their airdrop, and that was a great moment in the crypto space. Guys, look at what happened here. Around that time, 400 uni, that is Uniswap, is around what, 1,200 USD. So around 2020 September 1, after listing, according to ChatGPT, it said that even that time Uniswap spiked into something going to around what dollar, according to what I do my research after the research here. So you can see the all-time high even for then should be around $8 for one token of Uniswap. According to what I even see on ChatGPT, I saw something even more than that. But guys, can we now compare Uniswap to MetaMask airdrop? So that should be the question now, because that is 2020, so this is 2025. Then we are looking what is going to after in the crypto space in 2020. Since everybody is looking after October, then we are in Q4 of the crypto space. So guys, let me see this. You can see what I said here. What is the all-time high when listed for Uniswap then? It says as at then, Uni token price launched around September 2020. As I said earlier, that it was around $1 to $8. But let's go to all-time high. The all-time high was around what? $44 to $45 around May 2021. Come on. So when you are holding at least 400 uni, then you are having $18,000. Come on, guys. Is something like is going to happen to this MetaMask airdrop? So that should be the speculating question around now. So I think I'm using history and current moments in the crypto space to know what's going to happen according to what you know in the crypto. We trade history, then according to our analysis. So let me go into deep of what is going to happen. According to my prompt here, I said, can we compare Uniswap airdrop to MetaMask airdrop? ChatGPT answered yes. We can compare the Uniswap airdrop with the rumored and potentials MetaMask airdrop, but note the Uniswap airdrop already happened, while the MetaMask airdrop tokens, that is mask, will be speculative and not confirmed, because that is upcoming. We don't know what's going to happen tomorrow. So we have seen what happened in 2020, but guys, now we are looking after what is going to happen now. So what do you think is going to happen? According to me, we can see number of people using MetaMask. MetaMask is having millions of people using MetaMask, and also I noticed MetaMask, you can now swap inside MetaMask. So that is a great feature for investors to come into the airdrop of a thing. Then we can see a spike also. But for me, guys, I think MetaMask token should be around $1 below, or let me say above $1. So after listing, I don't want you guys to come and say you saw a video online where a guy said MetaMask is going to worth $20. Guys, be patient. So guys, this is my own comparison about Uniswap in 2020 and this 2025 that we're going to be looking after MetaMask. So guys, what's your reaction about this? I think we have self-decision. So this is my own self-decision, even using ChatGPT to compare Uniswap and MetaMask. Go to the comment section there. Let me know your own reaction about MetaMask airdrop coming. So mask is coming. So guys, I think we should be able to prepare ourselves ahead of this mask coming, guys.